What does 3.5 million buy you here in Carmel Valley in beautiful San Diego? Check out this house. So this is a 4-bed, 4-bath, gorgeous custom built home with a very large lot. This is over a half of an acre. Walking in, you have a very large south-facing bedroom. Coming through, you have a nice little dining room area. Stairs going up to the bedrooms. Nice tall ceilings again. Breezes coming from the west. A jumbo slab for the kitchen. Custom sink with Moen fixtures. Soft close, all cabinets, real wood. What I love about this house is lots of counter space here. Cabinets throughout. That's a Wolf high-end gas range, Sub-Zero, and more Wolf appliances here. Got a sub panel, big pantry. Walk in, can't quite get an exact shot, but it goes wraps all the way around. And then coming, look at this laundry room, it's just beautiful. Walking out to the side yard, you'll notice this big slab here. So it's the potential to build an ADU on this property, but look at this. I mean, you can park a nice sized motorhome in here. Then walking through this expansive backyard. Got a saltwater pool. You could build a putting green there. You have your spa. And then this view facing east. But it is a bit of a June gloom day here. Oh, the sun's just starting to peek out. And then coming out to this outdoor living area, you've got your gas fireplace. Nice big TV with these doors opening up to create that outdoor feel right in from the living room. Isn't that beautiful? And then this was built as an office with double doors back going out to the outdoors there. Coming through, let's head upstairs. So down the hall, lots of counter space here, folding clothes, whatever you have to do. This bedroom with full closet comes off this nice deck. Look at this. Then you've got these great views off this balcony here. Then you've got another bedroom, and out they've made it to where you have another access to the balcony that you could share. So here's the 4th bedroom. And this is really cool. So you have a walk-in closet, and then through this door, you've got this finished attic space out there. So that's the actual attic. But this serves for mostly storage right now. Be aware, I'm 5'5". Coming down again, you see the saltwater pool, and look at that excellent view. Whoa, looks like little fire burning back there. Not sure if you can see that, way back there. And then look at this beautiful backyard, just amazing. You can huddle around here at night, this nice gas burning fire pit. And then jump into the pool and right into the hot tub. My name's David Domingos, right here at eXp Realty in San Diego. And if you're looking to make a move into or out of San Diego, feel free to reach out. You can call, email, text. All my information's in the description below. You can set up a Zoom meeting, and we have a whole toolbox of resources to help you make a smooth move into or out of San Diego. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing, and we'll see you on the next video.